Because he can take his skill away from him.
His lungs, his
whole
pipes,
body,
everything was.
Yeah.
It
pipes
was just.
and all,
Yes.
that's right.
It will just. It will sing, and everything will accompany each other.
Yes, yes.
And God said, "I'll give it to a guy." I mean, if you look at Trading Places, when Eddie Murphy took over,
Yeah, right.
the painful part is that this guy who was a beggar took over my position. So God created and gave us the punishment for the enemy was to see babes
clay vessels
took over the power.
Yes.
And then that's why David said, out of the mouth of babes and suckling you will then pray. Our words might not be as eloquent or powerful.
Yeah, we're going
We
to
might not have the skill. But have you noticed that when a baby comes to you, you go to a friend's house.
I was planning maybe tomorrow.
And the baby now comes and says,
I think Friday is much better.